How can you find a sum or a difference if you do not know it right away? That's what we're going to be talking about today, is choosing our adding and subtraction strategies. So I could use cubes. I could use counters. I could use my hundreds number chart. I could make 10. I could think, is it addition? Am I adding more? Is it subtraction? Am I taking away? Am I trying to find the difference? Or I could use related facts. If I know that 4 and 6 make 10, then I should know that 4 plus 6 equals 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10. 10 minus 4 equals what? Or 10 minus 6 equals what? So choose a strategy and model it on your paper. We are trying to find out what 5 plus 4 equals. Now, when I see 5 plus 4, I can think of my doubles minus 1. So if I have my doubles, I know what 5 plus 5 is. It's really easy for me. 5 plus 5 equals what? You're right, 5 plus 5 equals 10. But it wasn't 5 plus 5, it was 5 plus 4. So I'm using my doubles minus 1 strategy. So if I take 1 away, now I have 9. So my answer to 5 plus 4 equals 9. I used my double minus 1 strategy. Or I could have done my double plus 1 strategy by using my 4. I could have doubled my 4, and 4 plus 4 equals, you're right, 8. But I didn't want just 4 plus 4. I wanted 4 plus 5. 5 is 1 more than 4, so I would have to add 1 more. So I can add 1 more to my double, and that equals 9. So now I have figured out my answer again. Think of the strategy that you can use to add or subtract. When I am working, first of all, I look at my sign to see if I'm going to take away. Show me take away. Or if I'm going to add or get more. Show me more. When I have a subtraction fact, I like to switch it around in my brain to use a related fact, because to me it is a lot easier to add than it is to subtract. So I'm going to start with my 6 plus, I don't know my number yet, but I do know that it equals 14 because it gives me the answer. So I'm trying to find this number here. 6 plus what equals 14? I know by looking at the family that 6 plus 8 equals 14. So now I've used my 6, I've used my 14. I know that my answer now is 8. 14 minus 6 equals 8. When you do your addition or subtraction facts, first I want you to look to see if it is an addition problem, you get more, or if it is a subtraction problem, you get less. you take it away. I also want you to see if it is a doubles math fact or if it is a count on math fact or if it is a count back math fact. And those strategies will help you.